A journey into relative adverbs, enhancing your English grammar. Hey there, language learners! Welcome to another exciting English language learning video. Today, we're diving into the world of adverbs, specifically relative adverbs. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what relative adverbs are and how to use them correctly. So, let's get started. Relative adverbs are a type of adverb that help us provide additional information about time, place, or reason in a sentence. They establish a relationship between different parts of a sentence and give us a clearer picture of the overall context. The three most common relative adverbs are 1. When. It refers to a specific time or moment in the past, present, or future. For example, I remember the day when we first met. 2. Where. It indicates a place or location. For instance, this is the restaurant where we had our first date. 3. Why. It explains the reason behind an action or event. Consider the sentence, she explained the reasons why she couldn't attend the meeting. These relative adverbs not only add depth to our sentences but also help us convey information more effectively. Now, let's explore how to use them correctly in different contexts. When. Time-related relative adverbs. When we want to express time-related information, we can use the relative adverb when. Let's look at some examples. I remember the day when I graduated from college. He told me the exact moment when the concert would start. I can't wait for the weekend when we'll be going on a road trip. Remember, when is used to specify a particular time or moment in the past, present, or future. It's a useful tool to give more details about the timing of events. Where. Place-related relative adverbs. Now let's move on to the relative adverb where, which helps us describe a specific place or location. Here are a few examples. This is the park where we used to play as kids. I want to visit the city where my favorite author lived. Do you know the store where I can find the latest fashion trends? By using where, we can provide additional information about the places mentioned in our sentences. It helps create a vivid picture in the listener's mind. Why. Reason-related relative adverbs. The third relative adverb we'll explore is why, which helps us explain the reason or motive behind an action. Check out these examples. She couldn't attend the party because she explained the reasons why she was feeling unwell. Do you know why they canceled the meeting at the last minute? I'm trying to figure out why he didn't respond to my message. By using why, we can delve deeper into the reasons behind certain actions, making our sentences more informative and engaging. And that wraps up our journey into relative adverbs. Today, we explored the three key relative adverbs: when, where, and why. These adverbs help us provide additional information about time, place, and reason, respectively. Remember to use them appropriately in your sentences to enhance your English language skills. I hope you found this video helpful in expanding your knowledge of English grammar. Keep practicing and exploring the fascinating world of language learning. Thanks for watching, and until next.